Underneath the earth is a vast abundance of resources which have contributed immensely to the survival of our species for ages. For a man to get these resources, the earth had to be dug with various tools ranging from stone, metal, and now machines. The mining industry has been able to reach such heights as it is today due to these sophisticated machines, so today we'll be looking at the biggest mining machines ever made. Bagger 293. Taking the first spot on the list is the Bagger 293, which was designed and built in 1995 by the company Takraf, located in Germany. It is a very humongous machine, holding the title as the biggest mining machine being used today and also as the largest vehicle to be constructed on Earth. It comprises buckets on a wheel which rotates and removes soil material from the earth to reveal deeper layers. It is a surface mining machine that can remove around 240,000 cubic meters of soil daily, with its enabling features of 96 meters in height, 225 meters in length, and a weight of 16,000 tons. The bucket wheel of this machine is 21 meters in diameter and consists of 18 buckets which can hold as much as 15 cubic meters of material. Can you imagine what insane power it exhibits? Also, 5 people are needed to operate this machine. A bit similar to the Power Rangers controlling the Megazord, but this big boy runs on an external power source providing 16 megawatts of energy. Moving this machine is a bit tasking, with 12 Caterpillar tracks being needed for the entire machine to be mounted upon, after which its mobility is a little slow with a top speed of 10 meters per minute. BelAZ 75600. This is a haul truck used to carry volumes of unwanted pieces and materials from excavation. Built in Belarus by the Belarusian Auto Works, it is one of the largest mining trucks available. The USSR has employed the use of these giants at various sites like the Bachatsky coal mine to carry out their mining operations. The BelAZ measures 14 meters in length, almost 10 meters wide, and 7.2 meters tall. Weighing 260 tons, which makes it unsuitable for applying normal roads, hence the need for specially constructed routes for its mobility. For its source of energy, a Cummins engine which produces 3,500 horsepower is used and thus provides a top speed of 64 kilometers per hour when empty and allows the truck to carry loads of up to 350 tons through a short distance at a reasonable speed. Whether it rained cats and dogs or fire and brimstone, this truck's ability to withstand any weather condition makes it a top choice for many in the construction industry. Komatsu D575A3 Super Dozer. Next is a super dozer constructed by Komatsu Limited, which is a company located in Osaka, Japan. It has earned its name as the largest production bulldozer and is the third iteration of the production line, which was first brought into the public in 1989. This hulk of a machine has a length of 11.7 meters, a width of 7.3 meters, a height of 4.8 meters, and a weight of 144 tons, which can also be more in value. For its power, a custom-made 12-cylinder 4-stroke water-cooled turbocharged Komatsu engine producing up to 1150 horsepower is used. Because of its size, this Komatsu Super Dozer has to be dismantled and moved in pieces to the site where it is to be used before it is reassembled. For this transportation, as many as 8 trucks are required, a small price to pay when compared to the capability of this bulldozer, which can move 69 cubic meters of soil material per trip. Lokotrack LT200. After the digging process of soil materials from the ground, crushing to see which parts are to be kept and refined further and which are to be thrown away is necessary. Many ways are available for this to be done, but one which proves to be the most effective is the use of a mobile cone crusher, of which the Lokotrack LT200 is the largest on the market. It has a length of 16 meters, a width of 3 meters, a height of 3.4 meters, and a weight of 35 tons. It finds use in a variety of operations like producing ballast for railway construction and asphalt for roads. It has a 415 horsepower Cat engine and a Nordberg HP 200 crushing unit, along with a conveyor belt to make the entire process a continuous one, just like the Oompa Loompas making chocolates at the Willy Wonka chocolate factory. Terex Bucyrus RH400. This machine was produced by Caterpillar and has been the largest hydraulic-using excavator on Earth. It was put on sale in Germany in 1997 by Terex, before Bucyrus took over its mining division in 2010. It weighs about 979 tons. This monster has a length of 13 meters, a width of 9 meters, and is just under 10 meters tall. It's powered by 2 diesel engines that were designed to produce 4,400 horsepower and requires 6 car batteries to turn on. Perhaps someone should get this guy the Tesseract. Although it's only able to move 3 kilometers per hour, its effectiveness is a proven surety. This was tested in Canada when one of these machines moved soil material of over 9,900 in a record-breaking attempt, a marvelous wonder to those who witnessed the event. P&H 4100 XPC Electric Rope Shovel. An electric rope shovel is also called a power shovel. They play the role of excavating soil material and removing overburdened mines with the use of a bucket that is controlled by steel ropes and winches attached to it. Before modern hydraulic designs became a thing, electric rope shovels were used. This is in the past tense, however, because it's still being produced by some companies today, one of which made the largest today, the P&H 4100 XPC. Komatsu made this rope shovel to be employed in surface mining with a length of 15 meters, a width of 14.4 meters, and 14.7 meters in height. It was designed for mines having a tight profit margin and looking to cut costs. The 4100 XPC can dump soil material with its bucket of a 67 cubic meters dimension, which isn't as impressive as its hydraulic counterparts, but can help companies save more money. If you're still glued to this world of heavy machinery, do subscribe and hit that notification button to support us. Caterpillar 6090 FS. This Caterpillar holds the record for the largest capacity for a hydraulic mining shovel and serves to be the peak of the company's engineering prowess. It utilizes a twin engine and has a cooling system for the oil used and a closed-loop swing circuit, which all operate to keep the machine running even when an engine failure occurs. With a weight of 1,102 tons when in operation, its bucket has a capacity of more than 100 tons, which makes it able to fill the largest designs of dump trucks in just 4 carriages. This is made possible by the 2 Cummins engines, which produce power of 4,500 horsepower, a length of 13.5 meters, a width of 9.7 meters, and a height of 10 meters. Just enough adrenaline that makes you yearn to see this monster in action. Danvik DD422i. Most of the machines we've discussed has been employed in open surface mining, but the Danvik has been made to work beneath the surface digging earth. Being the biggest underground machine, the Danvik DD422i is a development drill rig that is used to dig into areas that are thought to be rich in valuable resources. Being 29 tons in weight, 13 meters in length, 2.5 meters in width, and 3.1 meters in height, this machine is powered by a Cummins engine and possesses a set of hydraulic drills which can be automated for efficiency. For safety, extra cutter heads and fire extinguishers have been placed in the vehicle, so users can be safe to carry out their operations, drilling away with their hearts like the Gurren Lagann. Hitachi EX8006.
The X8006 was built by the company Hitachi as their largest excavator currently offered to the public. It has been designed for ease of repairs and maintenance if need be, making it a machine which can be operated for 24 hours. With such a valuable feature in mining easily attainable with this machine, one can be sure to reach maximum productivity when working in the mines. Weighing 894 tons, a length of 13.3 meters, a width of 10.6 meters, and a height of 31.5 meters, this machine can have its fitting changed to a shovel or a backhoe depending on the type of operation to be done, making it a versatile one among machines. Think of it as the Leonardo DiCaprio of machines. With a capacity of 43 cubic meters per pass, this machine can perform its operations with the help of its two Cummins engines that produce up to 4,000 horsepower, with a majority of this going to the arm used for digging, providing tremendous strength when it cuts into the ground. Caterpillar 797F. With mining operations yielding several tons of material to be transported daily, heavy and powerful trucks for this task are greatly needed, and this is why the 797F was made. Being a monster truck on the road, this vehicle is the largest developed by the company with a length of 15 meters, a width of 9.7 meters, and a height of 15.7 meters. This big-sized truck can carry up to 252 cubic meters of material per pass. It has a 20-cylinder turbocharged CAT C175 engine, which produces 4,000 horsepower and can function even at lower oxygen levels. The vehicle without load weighs an impressive 924 tons and is efficient to the point where cost is kept at a minimum per ton. After being loaded, it can carry an extra 380 tons of weight, making it able to move quickly at 63.5 kilometers per hour at top speed, even on dirt tracks. LeTourneau L2350. Manufactured by the company LeTourneau, which was bought by Komatsu, LeTourneau L2350 was the title holder for the biggest earth mover in the world and has gotten recognition by the Guinness World Record for its power and size. It was built for use at surface mines for loading soil material onto trucks, which were built to carry up to 400 tons of materials. It weighs 260 tons and has a 16-cylinder 60-liter Cummins turbocharged engine, which produces up to 2,300 horsepower. Having the capacity to lift loads of up to 90 tons to a height of 7.3 meters, this vehicle can fill a large truck for hauling soil material in 5 scoops, hinting at how efficient it is. The Bucyrus 2570W walking dragline. The Bucyrus 2570W walking dragline machine, also known as the Big Cape, is one of the largest machines used in the United States of America. It is used in removing overburden at cast mines and has a weight of 6,500 tons, which is more than the weight of 140 Boeing 737 aircrafts. It has a height of 67 meters and an operating radius of 91 meters, the same length as a standard football pitch. A bucket is attached at the end of its boom, and the bucket has a capacity of 88 cubic meters, being able to carry a load of up to 167 tons in weight. Originally built in 1972, this Titan-looking machine continued operating until 2011 when it moved to a mine in Indiana. A crew of 20 people were needed to move it 1/10 of a mile per hour or a whole month. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.